My forever smile journey started like this.
I want to have this surgery done because I'm tired of hiding my smile. I'm tired of feeling like I have to cover my mouth when I laugh or worry about what people might think when they see my teeth. It's more than just how they look. It's the way it's affected my confidence, my relationships, and even the simplest joys. Like sharing a meal with my family, I want to feel normal again. I think the biggest change will be getting my life back, not just physically, but emotionally. I'll be able to walk into a room and smile without thinking twice. This surgery gives me a chance to finally move forward without carrying the weight of embarrassment or discomfort. It's not just about having a better smile, it's about feeling like myself again. I know this is going to change the way I see the world and the way I let the world see me. It's honestly even better than I expected. I thought it would just be a clinical cold process, but it's been so personal and full of hope.
Pretty good. It was nice to get just the bottom ones just completely done as well and get the implants there, so that's pretty nice. And yeah, I know it's only temporary right now, but hopefully soon.
I expected it to be tough, but I didn't expect to feel this excited along the way. It's more than what I hoped for. It's a second chance at feeling like myself again. It felt like I was meeting a version of myself I had almost forgotten about, someone full of life, hope, and confidence. When I first saw my new smile, I honestly couldn't believe it was real. I got emotional. I still get emotional just thinking about it. It didn't just change my appearance, it changed how I felt inside. It was overwhelming in the best way possible. Every step was explained so clearly, and I always knew what to expect. I never felt like just another patient. This isn't just a new smile, it's a new beginning. I'm truly grateful beyond words. I am so grateful to have this procedure done. My forever smile is truly a smile that will last forever.